battery replacement in a 2015 Camaro SS. Or Camaro. SS. I'm gonna peel this carpet back. Peel that carpet back blue. Remove this panel. Well, the big plastic nut to remove the panel. And then this, which has a air compressor in it. And now the main event, we have access to the battery. I'm gonna disconnect the negative post with a 10mm socket. And now the positive side. So we got that plate running across that's holding the battery in place, and down here we also have that block keeping it from sliding as well. And those can be taken off with a 13mm socket. So this is not the original battery. I've noticed I saw this same brand, I believe at AutoZone, but it is an H7 series, which is the same type. Oh, one little thing I missed, I forgot. Let me put this back in place. Came out whenever I pulled the battery out on its own, but there's a little tube here that vents out. This is going to transfer over into the other battery. This is also an AutoZone battery, Duralast Gold. So this vent tube is going to go in the battery on the side there, and then the tube slides into there. Bring the battery all the way to the right. And I'll just do it in the reverse order first. So that's going to be the first thing to go in. Next was the plate, so that'll go back in next. Now I'm going to switch back over to the 10mm and do the positive battery cable. And now the ground. And pretty much the installation's done. I'll put the plastics back in. Well, that was a start to finish battery installation or replacement on a 2015 Camaro SS.